Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 GMC Sierra, the K2500 4x4. Have the LED headlights, tow hooks up front for pulling your buddies out of the mud. Also have running boards. This truck also has a sunroof, black wheels, steps in the bumper. It also has the flares around the fenders, tow package. You can see it also has a spray liner, power sliding back window, has a Z71 package. Absolute beast. The LEDs don't really flicker like that to the human eye, just to the refresh rate of the camera. Has wood accents, leather in the front and the back. In the front, it is cooled and heated seats. Shot of the VIN right there. Just have the upgraded Bose sound system. And your driver presets. I'll go ahead and hop up in here. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn this fan down a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better. There we go. You see that it has 53,420 miles on it. Here's your trailer sway control, your 4x4 control, also your lights. Then you have your cruise control and your other toggles for your trip computer and such. Also your vehicle settings. So over here you have your stereo obviously and your comfort controls. You also have your parking sensor and such. Right here is important. These are our vented seats, which that's important today because it's 90 plus degrees outside. So come over here to our radio. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM and Bluetooth. Then you go home. You can see that you have traffic apps and all that kind of fun stuff through your phone. We don't have a phone connected to it. That'll be you that does that. And then you also have navigation. Then your rear view. There we go. Then you come down here, you also have additional power supplies, stowage, cup holders, phone charger, and more power supplies and stowage. Up here you have your sunroof. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an accident, had a little bit of cosmetic damage in the front. Turned out to just be cosmetic. We were able to get it fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection in the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.